Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at how to remove text from images on Canva. Now we have an image here. I want to remove the text. This is the image. As you can see, now this image has text in it. I want to remove the text. How do we do it? It's quite simple. Now first of all, check, is it grouped? Is the image and the text, are they grouped together? If they are, then you have to ungroup it first by right clicking on it. As you can see, there's no option for group, so up here, if it is grouped or locked together, you see this lock option here. Which is grouped, you see the option for ungroup. So as you can see, it's not grouped. Look at it, this is grouped, so you ungroup it first and then you can now delete it. Let's see this one, it's also grouped, so you have to ungroup it first, click on ungroup and then you delete it. It's as simple as that. I have deleted all the images, all the text on this image. Hope you found this video helpful on how to remove text from images on Canva. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.